Hello kids, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today, let us learn S words together. Are you ready?
Yes, Mom. I am so excited.
Okay, let's go. S is for socks.
S is for socks.
S is for skate.
S is for skate.
S is for sun.
S is for sun.
S is for stool.
S is for stool.
S is for sit.
S is for sit.
S is for salt.
S is for salt.
S is for seed.
S is for seed.
S is for sea.
S is for sea.
S is for seal.
S is for seal.
S is for sheep.
S is for sheep.
Wow, kids, amazing! You have learned so many S words today. Thank you for learning with Mom and Me Fun Factory.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye friends.